Good morning. So I'm in Mönchaltorf, which is in Canton Zurich. It's a small town outside the city of Zurich, and today I am here with my mom. Can you see her? Yeah, hi. Yeah, so we're just strolling around this morning, this cold morning. Fresh milk vending machine. So like, yeah, we're totally lost. We ended up at some industrial place, I think. But no, we're heading to that. If we go straight this way, we're gonna go to a little supermarket where we'll buy some food. Yay! Oh, Stehlin, they missed out one N at the end. Oh well. Stehlin. We accidentally bought all these stuff. So much that we had to buy an extra bag. Yeah, oh well. So that's where we bought all these stuff. Here everything's open Monday to Saturday. On Sundays, gone, dead, closed.